Paying with Paysafecard on PS4 and PS5 is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can, pay with Paysafecard on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So for that, you have to be at your PlayStation and you need to log into your account. And after that, you will easily be able to, top up your wallet with the, Paysafe account, Paysafecard. But if you are not able to do that, you need to select any of the game that you want to buy, and at the checkout section, you will be able to, pay with the Paysafecard. But if both of these methods doesn't work, let me tell you the third way, which is like, the kingwin.net. Now, this is a website which lets you buy the CD keys for the games, and that game will be added to your PlayStation library that you can download and play. So for that, I'm at my Kingwin and I'm going to search for PS4. And after searching for PS4, I'll be able to find all the games that are, available here for the PlayStation 4. So as you guys can see, it also have huge discounts. So you just need to buy the CD keys. You can put these CD keys into the consoles, into your consoles. And that's how easily you guys can do it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.